And I'll take this moment to share a story about Viola Frymann. She was invited to Russia to an orthopedic conference. Let's invite her. She's kind of famous. They had no idea what she did. So she gets there. She's like, I'm an osteopath. I'm not ortho. What's that? And apparently they have these tall white hats like chefs. And she said they all did this sort of huddle in the middle of the room where all these hats pointed in. Well, we brought her all this way. Let's have her tell us and show us. So they sent up this 6-year-old boy. They didn't really tell her anything except that he had some behavioral issues. And she felt the health ignite in the boy, left the conference. 3 months later was told that he had not ever grown an ulna in one of his arms. And after that treatment, the bone grew in. It's like the unexpressed growth had been halted, but the blueprint's always in there. And what we're doing is we're connecting in every moment, including this one, to the original design that, if fully free and expressed, is regrowing every cell in our body in every moment. Jim Jellis's book was called The Emergence of Originality. That's what he was naming. In every moment, the embryologic forces that grew you are expressing as healing. So we're all being born in every moment. For information on our trainings, which are open to everyone and offer continuing education credits to providers of all kinds, message us here or visit our courses page on the web at flowismedicine.com. And be sure to follow us on social media.